talking about idioms every single day. Miss North tells us a new one on the intercom, and they always kind of sound funny, right? Because if they're not literal. So if I were to say it's raining cats and dogs, there's not really going to be cats and dogs falling out of the sky, is there? No. What does it mean? Raise your hand. Dominic?
It's raining very, very hard.
It's raining really hard and heavy, right? So if I'm talking to someone and I want to make it sound interesting, I could use idioms instead of just saying it's raining really hard. I could say it's raining cats and dogs. Just like when they showed that story up there, it's more interesting when you're doing writing, like you're writing a story, when you use idioms because it sounds more interesting. Len, sit up. Jordan, sit up. So if I were to tell you that not to cry over spilled milk, wouldn't that be more interesting for me to say than don't be upset?
Yeah.
So that's how you can use it every day. You can figure out some idioms and try them out on your parents and see if they know them. I'm sure they do. There's thousands of idioms. There's so many of them. And the cool thing is they all mean something different. So what we're going to do today is we are going to practice using some of our idioms. We have some note cards here. We've done something like this before. I'm going to give you a note card. If you have a blue note card, it's the idiom. If you have an orange note card, it's what the idiom really means. Okay, so for example, if your blue note card said, it's raining cats and dogs, you would look for an orange note card that said, it's raining really hard. Okay?
Okay.
So that's what you're doing, but I have a challenge. I don't know if you guys can do it. Do you think you're up for the challenge?
Yes.
You cannot, you have to whisper. There's no talking above a whisper. I don't know. We'll see if you guys can do it. If you do, I'm going to be very impressed. Okay? I think you guys can. Because if you talk really loud, it gets all crazy and out of control. So we need to, I know you need to talk to each other to figure out who has what card, but you got to remain in control. Okay, let's see if we can do it. I'll give you all 3 minutes once I get them all passed out. Okay, once you find your partner, I want you to sit down where you're at, crisscross applesauce. You can sit at desks if you would rather sit at a desk. No, you can't trade. Hey. I didn't give you one? Sorry. Okay, I have one too. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Remember, whisper. Ready, set, go. So if you're paired up with someone, I hope you each have, one has blue and one has orange. What do you have back there? So remember, once you have your partner, sit down. Sit down. Nope, we're already partnered. No. Y'all are not together. Okay, hold on. I'm going to come around and check your idioms. Hold up. guys to hear these because we're going to do an activity and you need to know as many idioms as you can, okay? Sammy, will you share ours first? Tell them the idiom and then what it means.
It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining very hard and out.
Okay. Micah and, Ryan. I'm sorry. Ryan and Kinsley, stand up.
Eat that, I'll be back. Shared is secret that was not supposed to be told.
Sit down. Chloe. Okay. Okay, Allie. Y'all go for each round. Okay, Grace.
The cat's got my tongue. Speechless, not sure what to say.
Okay, you guys.
Olivia Horse, be patient.
Yes. Aubrey. Stand up, guys.
He's in the doghouse.
Say it louder.
He's in the doghouse.
Okay.
He's in big trouble.
Okay. Delaney.
You're pulling that leg. Trying to trip
Okay. Jordan. I could go ahead.
Get up on the wrong side of the bed. To be grouchy and turtle.
And irritable. Okay, Ashley. Couch potato.
Lazy and doesn't get up and react.
Awesome. Okay, I want you to.
It's not on.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot you. Stand up. My mistake.
Something will never happen.
Oh, wait. Stand up and read yours first. Why pigs fly, or when pigs fly. Something will never happen. When pigs fly.
Oh.
Okay, you may all quietly go back to your seats.